So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at the possible causes of Wi-Fi getting continuously disconnected and how you can address those. But before we begin, it's a small request that you please subscribe to the channel and please share our content with your friends and colleagues so that our work reaches a few more people. So without wasting further time, let's begin. So let's understand what is the issue at hand here. Here, if you see, if I go to my connections and I check my Wi-Fi, we are connected to a certain Wi-Fi network. Oftentimes what happens is we keep getting disconnected and we switch over to our mobile cellular network or maybe a different Wi-Fi network. So it keeps getting disconnected. So how do we solve this from happening or recurring? So one thing that we need to first avoid is any phone network issues. So we go to our settings, go towards general management, and inside here we have option of resetting, and we will reset all the network settings. So depending on the Android version you have, it may be at a different position, but this is what you need to do. You need to reset your network settings. And since this is a dual phone, I'll be doing it for both my SIMs. So I will be doing it first for my secondary SIM. So once I click on reset, you will see that after a short time, it will show that the network settings have been reset, and I will take my second SIM and do this as well. So I will do a reset of my network settings. Now, once this is done, try and connecting to your Wi-Fi network again. It will work as if it's now a fresh thing. So you will again have to punch in your credentials. So I'll put in my credentials and then click on connect. So once I do that, you will see that I will be connected to my Wi-Fi network. So this is one thing that you need to do. Now, you don't want your phone to switch on to the data or the mobile cellular network once the signals tend to go weak or something. So for this, you need to click on this three vertical dots, click on advanced, and this will be turned on by default, like will be like this. So you need to turn this off. What you are doing here is effectively instructing your phone that in case the Wi-Fi goes slow or it becomes unstable, we need not switch on our mobile cellular data. And also here, what you can do is you can turn off your mobile data so that any chance of the mobile turning on your mobile data will actually be rested even if the Wi-Fi signals are weak. So let me go back to my settings. So resetting of your phone network settings and then going on to advanced settings and switching off the option of turning on mobile data. Two things. Now, very important to understand here is why is this happening? Oftentimes it's possible that your Wi-Fi router itself has certain issues. It's getting congested, there are network issues. So maybe we need to reset that. So this is my Wi-Fi router. Using this, I'm basically getting internet on my mobile using the Wi-Fi network. So oftentimes the issue may be here. I mean, this Wi-Fi router maybe needs to reset. All the Wi-Fi routers that you see at the back has a button for resetting, or it may be at a different place. So you need to reset the router once. And if that doesn't work, maybe you need to call the ISP guys. So if this is from Excitel, I need to call Excitel, the internet service provider, and tell them, hey, fix this. Your router is not emitting proper signals. So resetting the router and also upgrading to the router firmware may help having a stable Wi-Fi connection. Now, one more thing that I want you to note here is you will see that the router operates on two bands for me, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. The higher the bandwidth, the more the speed. However, the larger the chance for disturbance. Say I am at a very far off room, I will be better off with a 2.4 gigahertz connection, though at lower internet speeds. Maybe I won't have the greatest of speeds compared to the 5 gigahertz connection. But 5 gigahertz will have low speeds as you go away from the router, and there are more chances of interference. As you can already see here that we have like more than one Wi-Fi network. There is a Jio 2.4, Jio 5 gigahertz, again like a same Wi-Fi running two bands, and then like different options. Anytime my present connection goes weak, there are always chances of this mobile switching off and then switching on to a different wireless network. So we need a steady Wi-Fi connection to remain connected at all times. And therefore today, of all the solutions that we suggested, first was resetting of your network settings, then going on to advanced settings, and then like having the option of switch on to mobile data turned off, then actually turning off the mobile data, resetting of the router. And then one last thing that I still want to tell is, like, you can always, what you can click on this little grid here and then click on forget. So what it will do is it will forget the network. You can then turn off your mobile, turn it back on, and then try connecting to this network. Again, you have to put in the credentials, and once you have put in the credentials, you will stay connected. So guys, that's all from my side today. Try doing all of this. Let us know which one worked for you, what you have extra which you think might help other users solve this situation. The more you comment, the more you help. We are actually helping a bigger community here. So it would really mean a lot having your comments, letting us know whether this works and what you think of our work. And I will catch up with you in the next one. Please do subscribe and please do share this with your friends. Thank you.